This model kit reviews of the Maserati Merak, and this is a 1/24th scale model, and it's by Testors. Here you see a photo of the finished model, and this box has definitely seen better days, but gives you some of the details there about the actual car. Here's another picture of the model. Let's have a look at the other side. Some other very nice pictures of the finished model. Well, let's have a look inside. These things are all stuck. So first of all, here we have the body, which is actually very nicely molded. There's a fair amount of detail here. Have a look inside these screws. And you're supposed to have real rubber tires, and those look fairly detailed. See the tread. You also have the gear and some pins to allow them to spin. Here's our glass. We have our wheels, fairly nicely molded there. I don't see much in the way of mold lines down here. We do have some flashing up top here. Here's our spoiler, and probably our brakes, steering wheel. Here's our chassis, and it looks like our engine is molded in, and that's it. That's all the detail you get. We have a place to put a battery with a switch, so I imagine this was originally meant to have a motor in here, electric motor, which is what that gear is for, but it doesn't seem that any of that is included. Here is our instrument panel dashboard. That's supposed to cover up the battery. We have our side mirrors, and these must be our headlights, and handbrake, center console. Maximum power, 182 horsepower. So let's have a look here. So here they show the axle going on with the gear, and then the steerable wheels. Nothing about the motor though. And then the dashboard. Cabin is then built, and it looks like we put the glass in, and the front headlights, some additional body parts going on, and then the painting and decal guide. Let's see if we have any decals here. There it is. Just a few decals. So really the only thing I like about this is the body. Very basic kit.